Hello students, so far I discussed square of trinomial single expression, now two expressions. You can expect either in section C or section D. Focus more on the arithmetic operation. Here the given question is a plus b plus c the whole square minus a minus b plus c the whole square. Two different expression, both are square of trinomial. I will write the same empty bracket concept. Here the question is empty bracket. What is the empty bracket? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is one group. Okay, and substitute the bases. Bases are the regular alphabets A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, B, C, C, A. Correct? C, A. C, A. Minus sign here. Again write the empty bracket. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. This square bracket is very important. Okay, using the bracket is always very important for this type of problems. Again, what are the bases? Here A minus BC, A minus BC. Don't forget this minus sign, A minus B. Next, minus B C, C A. Okay, now simplify term by term. So what is the first term? First line, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. Minus, what is the simplest form of second term? Second term is A square plus minus B the whole square is B square plus C square. Now very important, focus more on this, minus 2AB minus 2BC plus 2CA. Now very important stage. What is the middle sign? Middle sign is minus. Whenever the middle signs are minus, like terms gets cancelled. Middle sign is minus, like terms gets cancelled. If middle term is plus, unlike terms gets cancelled. Middle term is plus, unlike term gets cancelled. So middle term is minus, like term gets cancelled. Like terms mean these two gets cancelled because A minus A square. Like terms gets cancelled. Like terms gets cancelled. These two will not get cancelled because unlike terms, and correct. So focus more on this middle sign. Whenever the middle sign is minus, like terms gets cancelled. Don't forget this tip. And middle term is plus, unlike terms gets cancelled. So what is the remaining case? Now the remaining case is 2ab minus into minus plus. So you can rewrite this as twice of 2ab plus 2bc. 2ab plus 2bc. Which you can take the common factor outside. So what is the common factor now? 2 common factor, b common factor, which is equal to 2b is a common factor. This is a plus c. The final answer is 4b into a plus c. That's all. So very important advice. Whenever the middle sign is minus, focus on the like terms. Like term will get cancelled. Middle term is plus, unlike terms gets cancelled. Okay, these two are the very important tips for two terms. Two terms, both are square of trinomial. So one of the very tough question in section C or D, depends upon the question paper. Okay, thank you.